Agoda. Hotel tayo sa hotel. Ang hotel natin is sa Davao City. And date is December 1 to December 3. 3 days, 2 nights. Room 4, adult 6, 4. Tapos 2 infant. Search. Just a moment. Loading. Ito yung mga list of hotel na sa Davao. Piliin natin yung Waterfront Insular Hotel Davao. This one. Loading. Loading pa siya. Ayan. I-scroll down natin. Scroll down pa natin. At as you can see, nandito na yung mga room. Ang i-book natin is yung standard room. That one. Wait natin. Loading. There's personal information such as first name, last name, and email address. Type. Then phone number. Then sa baba is yung total price 32,000. Then original price niya is that one. May sales siya kasi standard room tayo. Ito yung mga inclusion sa Waterfront Insular Hotel Davao.